It's been a long day. It's been a long time since I've done a house tour. So we're doing a freaking house tour. Let's go, brah, brah, brah. This is my kitchen. We're doing a house tour, yes. Connie, give me here. Okay, here's the kitchen. You can see those are the shelves, and this is my kitchen table. And this is my kitchen. And now we're going to take a tour of the living room. This is my Christmas tree. Really, really beautiful. Yes, I know. Then we have a lot of presents over here. Like, a lot. Seriously. A lot. Look at this mess. I don't know, but each of me and my brother have 3 presents. That's just insane. This is the first time I've ever got 3 presents for Christmas. Okay. And here's the other ones. And here's my piano. This is a little bit of my stuff. And this is my marble floor. We just got it last month, or more than last month. Here is my whole, this is my living room. Yeah, I know you guys know about this room. This is my other stuff. This is our plant. And this is my backyard. If you've seen Ultimate Chase, you would have seen my whole backyard because I was like riding all over it. And upstairs, we're going to do it in next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.